Hello everybody, this is Michael from PS Heavy Parts. We are needle roller bearing and cylindrical bearing manufacturer for a construction machine and mining equipment such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, JCB, Volvo, Hyundai, Dawson, Tarex, Sandvik, and Atlas Cooper. Today I want to introduce one special needle bearings. This is the code. They are used. This is the code. You can see. They are used in the Allison transmission. Allison transmission is for the commercial vehicles such as a bus, heavy truck, construction machine, and mining equipment. And many of the customers, they don't know this is needle bearing. They will think it's the ball bearing or some special bearings, but in fact it's a special kind of needle roller bearings. Also you can say it's needle truss bearings. They are composed of the two bearing rings, the cage, and also the fixing ring. And you can also see the outer tabs and also the inner tabs in the bearing. And this is very critical part for this kind of bearings, because you can see that we get the matching part from the customer. We have the inspection way. For example, I will show you. Usually it will fall down very easily. So it will fall down easily. You can see easily. So we will. The inner tabs, the performance is to fix the bearing into the gear, this inner gear. You can see they will not fall down. That is to say, the inner tabs is approved. Also, for the outer tabs, it's same. Just press them. You can see it will not fall down. That is to say, the outer tabs they are also approved. Then we will inspect every piece for the inner tabs and outer tabs 100%, so everything is okay. Then we'll do a next step. Press the bearing. We'll inspect the rotation. You can see. The voice is equal. There's no noise, no special voice. That is to say, the running performance is approved. We will do 100% for every piece for the running performance. So that is how we inspect this Allison transmission needle truss bearings. You can't find them. It's very hard to find parts. So just call PS. Thank you.